The Audi Q7 has been a cornerstone of the luxury SUV market for years, recognized for its understated elegance, refined engineering, and balanced combination of comfort, technology, and performance. It has earned its place as a reliable option for buyers seeking a full-size premium SUV that blends everyday usability with luxury features. However, the landscape of the luxury SUV segment is rapidly evolving. Competitors such as the BMW X7, Mercedes-Benz GLS, and upcoming flagship SUVs from other premium brands are growing larger, bolder, and increasingly technologically advanced. To remain competitive, Audi is preparing a significant leap forward. In 2026, the automaker will introduce a fully redesigned next-generation Audi Q7 alongside an all-new flagship SUV named the Audi Q9. This dual launch represents a major expansion at the top of Audi's SUV portfolio and reinforces the brand's commitment to maintaining a strong presence in the full-size luxury segment. For years, rumors of a larger Audi SUV circulated in automotive circles, but confirmation has now arrived. Audi's head of development, Jeffrey Bucco, officially acknowledged that the Q9 is on the way. This new model will compete directly with established rivals, including the BMW X7 and Mercedes-Benz GLS, while also carving out a more commanding position within Audi's own lineup. Positioned above the Q7, the Q9 is expected to offer additional interior space, a more imposing exterior presence, and a suite of advanced technologies that reinforce its flagship status. While European customers are likely to see the Q9 in showrooms during 2026, North American buyers will probably have to wait until 2027, reflecting regional market strategies and production timelines. Alongside the Q9, Audi is set to reveal a fully revamped Q7 for the 2026 model year. This update goes far beyond routine cosmetic changes. The current Q7 generation, which debuted in 2017, has received minor facelifts over the years, in 2020 and again in 2025. But its interior and overall design are beginning to show their age compared to modern competitors. The next generation Q7 is expected to embrace Audi's latest design language and platform architecture, delivering a more modern, tech-focused experience that aligns with evolving consumer expectations for luxury SUVs. Both the redesigned Q7 and the all-new Q9 will be built on Audi's Premium Platform Combustion, or PPC, architecture, a flexible and robust foundation already used in models such as the A5, Q5, and A6. This platform is designed to accommodate a variety of powertrains, including conventional gasoline engines, mild hybrids, and plug-in hybrid systems, allowing Audi to tailor the lineup according to regional demand and regulatory requirements. While specific engine options have not been officially confirmed, the PPC platform ensures that both models can support a wide range of performance and efficiency needs. Inside the cabin, Audi is expected to introduce significant upgrades that emphasize both technology and luxury. The next-generation interiors are likely to adopt the brand's digital stage concept, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster paired with a large driver-oriented central touchscreen powered by Android Automotive. This system will allow seamless integration of navigation, media, and connected services, providing an intuitive and customizable interface. Complementing these digital innovations, an AI-driven voice assistant will allow drivers to control climate settings, entertainment, and vehicle functions through natural speech, reducing distractions and enhancing the sense of modern sophistication. As a flagship SUV, the Audi Q9 will focus heavily on space, comfort, and refinement. 3 rows of seating are expected to be standard, with generous legroom and headroom for all passengers. High-quality materials such as black or tan leather, open-pore wood trims, brushed metals, and advanced ambient lighting will reinforce its premium character.
The cabin design is aimed at creating a tranquil, luxurious environment suitable for long journeys and family use, with every detail reflecting Audi's reputation for meticulous craftsmanship. Interestingly, the Q9 will have a close sibling within the Volkswagen Group, a Porsche SUV positioned above the Cayenne. Initially planned as a fully electric vehicle, the Porsche model will now debut with gasoline and plug-in hybrid powertrains, reflecting a broader reassessment of electrification strategies by both brands. Audi has similarly adjusted its long-term EV roadmap, pushing its target for 100% electric operations to around 2033 and extending the timeline for eliminating internal combustion engines. This strategy acknowledges ongoing global variations in EV adoption and continued demand for large luxury vehicles in combustion or hybrid segments. Design-wise, both SUVs are expected to feature sharper, more confident lines, sophisticated LED and matrix lighting signatures, and muscular bodywork that communicates strength and premium status. The Q9 in particular will differentiate itself visually from the Q7, with a more imposing road presence, larger dimensions, and a distinct grille and fascia treatment. Ultimately, the next-generation Audi Q7 and the all-new Q9 mark a pivotal moment for Audi in the luxury SUV market. Buyers now expect not only size and performance, but advanced technology, refined interiors, and a strong brand identity. By expanding upward with the Q9 and modernizing the Q7, Audi demonstrates its intent to remain a major contender in the full-size SUV segment. As 2026 approaches, further details regarding powertrains, performance, and pricing will emerge, but it is already clear that Audi is preparing a bold new chapter, one that blends heritage, innovation, and premium luxury at the very top of its lineup.